Good morning, children. We will be doing the second part of soils of India. We will start with the desert soil. Now, where is desert soil found? We all know it is Rajasthan, because it is only in Rajasthan that we have desert. The soil that is found in the deserts is known as desert soil. Deserts receive little to no rainfall, and hence the soil is not at all fertile. Okay, children, it's like sand. You must have seen sand. It is just like sand. It is only with the help of irrigation and fertilizers that a few crops like wheat, barley, millets, pulses and cotton can be grown here. Now, irrigation, that is the how we water the field. Okay. As there is no rainfall, so we have to manage through irrigation. People, those who stay near the desert soil and who cultivates, they do irrigation and they grow crops like wheat, barley, millets, pulses and cotton. This soil is mainly found in the desert regions of India, that is Rajasthan and its surrounding areas. As I told you, children, desert soil is found in Rajasthan. Okay. Now we will be doing the mountain soil. Mountain soil is very rich in humus. Earlier I told you what are humus. The soil that is found on the slopes of the hill and mountains is known as mountain soil. Rich in humus, this soil is suitable for growing fruits and practicing terrace farming. When the hilly slopes are divided into steppes and various kind of crops like maize, barley, coffee, fruits and spices are grown, then it is known as terrace farming. Now children, terrace farming, it is exactly like steps. The hill is cut into steps, okay, and they do they grow crops over there. They do the cultivation over there, okay, and it is known as terrace farming. So underline from here, children. The soil found in the slopes of the hills and mountain is known as mountain soils. What kind of soil it is? It is rich in humus, okay, and then is terrace farming. You will underline from here, the hills slope are divided into steps and various kinds of crops like maize, barley, coffee, fruits and spices are grown, then it is known as terrace farming. This type of soil is mostly found in the hilly areas of Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Now the most important part, children, how do we save the soil from erosion? Okay. How do we save the soil from erosion? We'll say in this paragraph. Now, what is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the gradual destruction and removal of rocks or soil in particular area by rivers, the sea, weather or due to human activities. Now, children, what it says is that if we take out a plant or we just pluck grasses, you will see a lot of mud is coming, the soil is coming out with the root of the grass, and from the place where you have taken it out, that place becomes, there is a little bit kind of a depression over there, and you will see all the soil is loose over there. Now what happens to that loose soil? When it rains or when there is a very strong breeze or when the breeze blows, the soil from that area, it goes to some other area. The fertility of the soil is moving from one place to another place because of rain, that is because of the weather, or human activities, that is we who cut down the tree and we make huge buildings over there. Okay, so we should stop this. Okay, so we can underline from here what is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the gradual destruction and removal of rocks and soil in particular area by river, the seas, weather, or due to human activities. Natural occurrence like heavy rainfall, excessive flooding and strong wind corrode the top layer of the soil, causing soil erosion. Means corrode means it washes away the top layer of the soil. Why? Because of these things. Because of flood, strong winds, heavy rainfall. Okay. Okay. Some human activities like deforestation and land pollution also cause soil erosion. Now, deforestation is the felling of trees. When we cut down trees because of urbanization. Okay, this is a very wrong thing that we are deforesting the places to make good shopping malls or factories or whatever you want to say for urbanization. Okay, this is one big cause of soil erosion, and the second is land pollution. Like when there is a land clogging, like we throw plastic bags here and there, it also pollutes the land. The roots of the plants hold the soil together. When the trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and washes away easily. This is what I was explaining you children, that when we plug the plant or the grass, that is the easy way I am giving you an example, then the soil becomes loose and it is washed away by the rain. Okay. As a result, the land becomes less fertile and unsuitable for growing crops. If there is no fertility in your land, then how will you grow crops? Okay, there are few ways through which we can control soil pollution and increase fertility of the soil. Now children, this is very essential that we all should try and protect the land. Okay, soil pollution, we should say, we should save our land. Okay, we should save the soil. How? Plant more trees instead of cutting them down, as this leads to deforestation. We should all plant trees somehow or the other. Reduce land pollution by not dumping waste in open. Chemical fertilizers should be avoided because they decrease soil fertility. Natural and organic fertilizers like manure and compost should be used. Okay children, now what is a compost? You must say, compost is a mixture of decayed plants and food that can be added to the soil to help. Okay, we can make compost at home even. Okay, like when your grandmother or your mother or auntie, whoever is looking after the kitchen, they cut the vegetables, they can store the peels and they can keep it in some place, and when it gets decomposed, you can use it for your garden. That is called compost. Now we have come to the end of this chapter. Let us sum up the chapter. We have studied about the types of soil and what the types of soil. Alluvial, which is the most fertile soil. Decomposition of silt. Black soil formed by lava. Red soil rich in iron. Laterite soil formed by weathering. Desert soil, barren soil found in the desert. Mountain soil, which is rich in humus. Thank you children. Take care, be safe, and bye.